So our room is back here this way. I could cut through there to the back of our property, but this shows you how close the other resort is. The one straight ahead is not our resort, that's the next door resort. So we originally, when we first got here, they gave us one up in the main lobby area. This is like a strip mall, almost like a strip motel. I found it very dated, and I asked if I could get something closer to the water, and so they were able to move us right away to this other one. So this is where we are. We go down this way. We are in building 37. So they have all these little pathways, as you can see. And it looks like a lot of the places have really nice overhangs, so if it does get a little rainy, it's still like, I feel like you can still sit out and enjoy the weather without getting wet. There's an iguana. There's all kinds. You see coyotes here, and you also see, there's actually a couple of baby deer I saw, and I don't know what they're called, like a giant rat. That's how I can describe it as. It's like they got no tail, and there's just finishing up our room. So we'll check out our room. The other thing I love about this is the first time ever that I was able to use my bracelet as the key. Which, yeah, you don't need to have a room key on you. So we are in 3703. So we have a little window there. We had it open the other night, but I found that as much as I love the natural air, there's no screens, so I heard some mosquitoes buzzing around me, so I had to close and turn on the AC. Here is the bathroom. Nice big shower, handheld thing. They come in about 10 o'clock every day to do the leather couch there. This big TV. A lot of channels, probably about, I don't know, I guess 100, but I don't really watch any. Okay, and this is your fridge. And that is not stocked yet. Believe it or not, they put a lot more in there. So they have candy as well. Different types of peanuts and that. Oh, we took that out, but that's in the fridge too as well. The coffee maker, Mr. Coffee. I never noticed that before. And here's our bed. There's king size. Closet over there with your safe and your steamer. They got nice outlets here that work off with just your regular plugs, and little reading lights here that come on. That you can, oops, just smashed my camera. So readings, and I'll show you the deck. This is our little deck. The other place we had was overlooking other buildings, which now I feel like this was better, but like I said, here's our tub. I haven't used it at all. It's like could use a little cleaning almost, a little bit. But it's a big platform you're up on. And there's the other resort, so that's why you can see why it was. We did have our window open, so that didn't help either with the music. And this building here, I don't know what it's used for. It's just empty, I think. There used to be something. I think this resort is fairly old, so I think it's at least 25 years old. A little Mexican decoration up there for your light. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed our video. Make sure to subscribe to see more. And yeah, we'll be having more adventures in the Caribbean.